Hello, Ndewo. Welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where you learn how to write, read, and speak Igbo in the simplest form. And in today's video, we'll be looking at some basic things that are found in every home, and you are going to know the name by the end of this video. They are spoon, ngaji, knife, mma, kettle, ketoro, pot, ite, chair, oche, mat, ute, box, igbe, bed, akwa, radio, still radio. Remember, why we call radio and kettle the way it sounds in English language is because it originally do not exist in Igbo with our forefathers. It was brought by the white men, and then it is called borrowed name in Igbo. Thank you for learning with us. Subscribe. Bye.